today's video for the Decade Makeup series. So today we're going to be doing probably one of my favorite decades, the 1950s. So this is the 1950s look that I will be creating today, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. My foundation brush into it. Start applying. Ooh, that was too much. Then what I like to do is I like to kind of massage it into my skin. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Pomade in the color. I'm going to take this brush from e.l.f. I don't really have the tint, but when I was filming the previous video, I actually filmed it today, and I didn't want to redo the whole thing, the eyebrows, so I'm just going to use this product for this video. Now I'm going to apply my DIY eye primer onto my eyelid. So now I'm going to take my Too Faced I Want Candy palette. I'm going to take the color Banana Cream Pie, which is this one here, and I'm going to just pat that on my eyelid. And I'm going to take ice cream as well, mix those two together to get like a yogurty color. Just pat that on. Now with the same exact palette, I'm going to take the color Pastry, and I'm going to apply that to the crease, on the crease. I'm going to be using a colored pencil to apply my eyeliner. So now I'm going to apply my mascara. This is the Winky Lux So Extra mascara. So now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Brusica Skin Perfecting BB Cream. I'm going to do that off camera. So I'm back now, and I did my foundation and my concealer. Now we're going to do my blush. Now, it's the same one that I always use. Now I'm going to blend everything together with my fluffy brush. For the reference picture that I saw, I saw that Marilyn Monroe had like a drop shadow underneath her eye, but then it kind of swooped out a little bit just to kind of create like a shadow from her lashes. So I'm going to take my L'Oreal nude palette. I'm just going to take the taupe color in this palette, and I'm just going to kind of start in the inner corner. I want to have a very thin line, and I like that. And once I get to the corner, just a little bit to kind of create this. So the last thing I'm going to do for this look is I'm going So now is the time for me to show you guys, tell you guys, I guess, what women applied, or how they applied their makeup in the 1950s. So, as I said in the intro, this one is my favorite makeup look ever. Yeah, so for eyebrows, I did it like really thin, or not that thin, but like, just kind of like this, I guess. For eyeshadow, they have like a yogurty color on the lid, and then a taupe shade on the crease, and then eyeliner. And they did put on lashes, but I didn't want to do lashes because I thought I wanted to do this more like an everyday look. So I just did mascara. And then what Marilyn Monroe did, she had like kind of like a drop shadow underneath, and then flicked it out so that it looked like there was a shadow from her false lashes. And then I actually did do the beauty mark here. That was the iconic Marilyn Monroe thing. And then for blush, it was very peachy and pink. And then for lips, it was bright red. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's decade makeup look, and see you guys next time. Hi guys, so I actually have a very, very cool, not really an announcement, but a thing that I'm going to be doing at the end of my videos. So stay tuned for the next video to see what I'm going to be talking about at the end of all my videos. So I realized that I did not do the second part of the outro, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!